ಇವತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಕಣ್ಣೆದುರಿಗಿದೆ. ಆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಆ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೂಢ ಆಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಬಾಮೈಲಿಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂಡ್ತನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇಂಥ ಬಂಡ್ತನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆತಾರೆ? ಹೌ ದಟ್ DC can convert that land according to his request. He has not, spot inspection is not done without the knowledge of the Deputy Chief Minister. That is Siddharamaiah is Deputy Chief Minister. Without his knowledge, who is the Chief? Yes, that is the Deputy Chief Minister. Without his knowledge, without his direction, this DC cannot clear that subject. Anybody, any common man go and request for other land, government land, to convert it. Can any DC will agree? All these things misusing the office of Deputy Chief Minister, Chief Minister office. Siddharamaiah under his administration only, everything is created.
So CM is alleging that the JDS and the BJP, they are misusing their power.
We are in opposition.
And you are sir alleging that CM is misusing his power to frame you. So
No, yes, yeah, I am open to it. I am not telling. Misusing the office of the chief, misusing the office of the chief minister, he is doing all these things. I will not allegate. He can free now also with his office, with his officer. You can go for inquiry, investigation. I am not going to criticize. I know, according to my conscience, I am totally perfect. They can't do anything to me.
Who wrote the signatures? You said the signature on the handwriting on the wall.
That investigate those people. How many times I tell you? How many times? Already I told you. That decision, who has signed that handwriting thing, who has done all those things? The SIT, they have to investigate. This is the 13-14 years issue. How can all the things I can remember it? You have to, their responsibility. Let us see.
Sir, Varnama, do you think this is a deliberate attempt to, target you and earlier sister family and now?
There is no doubt in that, madam. There is no doubt. I am the only person embarrassing the present Congress government in Karnataka.
Okay.
They wanted to finish me. For that unnecessary effort, they are doing all these things.
Sir, also Congress